What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for this delicious breakfast quiche, all you're gonna need is 5 to 6 eggs. I'm using 10 ounces of chopped spinach, olive oil spray, shredded cheese, pie crust, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 onion. This is the beautiful and delicious breakfast treat. Without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so we're gonna take 1 onion, cut them in half, and we're gonna make it into dices, just like so. Make sure you watch your knuckles. Alright, we're almost done here. Next, we're gonna go ahead and drain our spinach through our strainer. Just like so. Wanna try to get it as dry as possible. Okay, now what we're going to do is put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our pan, and we're going to add our onions in. We're going to cook these down for about 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds, I'm sorry. And then we're going to add in our spinach. Now that's looking good. Give me a like. Okay, now in our mixing bowl, we're going to add our 5 eggs. We're going to give this a nice whisk. Okay, now we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to go ahead and add 1½ cups of shredded cheese. Next, our spinach mixture. And now we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, you guys. And don't worry, go ahead and take your time. Mix this very well. Get it evenly dispersed throughout the dish. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our pie crust and spread it evenly across our 9-inch baking dish. Just like so. And now we're going to go ahead and add in our spinach. Yes, go ahead and spread that around. And what I like to do, you guys, is pinch the edges a little bit, or bring it away from the total edge of the pie pan, if I'm saying that correctly. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're going to allow this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Until then, quick fact. Where did quiche originate? France. Quiche, you see, is actually believed to be originated in Germany. According to foodreference.com, the savory breakfast dish was first connected to the medieval Germany kingdom of Lothringen, which stretched across France, Germany, Luxembourg, Belgium, and the Netherlands. You learn something new every day. Okay, now let's see what it's looking like. Now that looks beautiful. Let's take a closer look, you guys. You did this. This looks great, you guys. Okay, and just to keep a quick tip, please hold on for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Alright, let's plate this up for you guys. I can't wait to dig in. Okay. And just to let you go know, you guys, this is a beautiful treat for any time of the day, not just breakfast. Alright? Alright. Let's see what this tasting like. And it is hot. But yes, that was beautiful. And I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. And hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.